everyone, today we'll be presenting one of the four market structure in applied economics
But first, what are market structure? Market structure describe how business are organized in a market based on the number of sellers, the type of products, and how much control each business over prices.
In our case, we choose oligopoly, a market dominated by a few powerful firms.
So there is the characteristic of oligopoly. First, few sellers dominate the market. Only a small number of companies control the majority of supply. Second, interdependence. Businesses closely watch each other's moves like pricing or promotions. Third, barriers to entry. It's very hard for new firms to enter because it requires huge capital. And last, non-price competition. Instead of lowering prices, firms compete using advertisement, promos, and brand loyalty.
Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage, consumer enjoy variety and innovation. Disadvantage, limited competition can lead to high prices, collusion, or unfair agreements, or may harm consumers. Small businesses find it nearly.
A clear example of oligopoly is the telecommunications industry in the Philippines. For many years, Globe and Smarts dominate the market. Both control most of the mobile and internet services in the country.
Recently, D2 entered the market as a third player. Because of this competition increase, leading more affordable data, promos, faster internet services, and better customer guidance. This show a new competitor in an oligopoly can improve customer welfare, but still the market remains controlled by only a few firms.
In conclusion, an oligopoly is a market structure where only a few large firms dominate, while it can offer innovation and nationwide services. It can may also result in higher prices and limited consumers' choices. By studying market structure, we can better understand how business operates and how it affects our daily lives as consumers. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.